Hi, so this is my new project for the winter. It's a 2000 a KTM 520. It's my second one, but this one is absolutely mint. It's super clean. I just got it from the previous owner, and it's got, as far as I know, as far as I see, all the factory bolts. It's really in a great shape as for a 20 plus year old enduro bike. Of course, there's some things to check out just by the look of it, but all the bearings, all the infamous bearing here is super firm. It's great. Look at this piston, is like new, it's like brand new, and it's got a, I don't know if those exist anymore, like it's a Higashi silencer, and funny enough, it's a Italian company. It may look like a stock one, which but it's not. It's a aftermarket part. It's only a slip-on. It sounds really nice. I will show you later in the next video. But look at this. It's really nice looking. It's really clean. It's not bent. It's not cropped. It's this here. Previous owner made when he was unloading it on a trailer. That's what I said. That's what I heard. But look at those. Look here. It's so clean. It's so nice. Of course, there's a lot to do. I mean, I will check it out in the next video, in the next episode. So let's call it right this. But it's so clean. And you know, the previous owner didn't clean it. He didn't like prepare it for sale. It's just, he rode it a few times. He had it like a year, and that's it. As far as I know. So it's got a stock odometer, which works, and it shows 10,000 kilometers, and it's crazy. So the raw gas is like, it doesn't work. It has only one cable. This is something I don't understand. This is definitely something we will look for. And of course, we'll check the valves. We will check all the carb will be disassembled. We will set for me suspension front and rear. Of course, this all the things will be in the next video, but just would you look at that? It's got a license. It's fully working, lights and everything. So it's just, I'm amazed how well this bike looks, and it's from Italy. So it's got some fancy looking retro stickers on it, and yeah, it's a great piece. See you next time.